Here she is. 354 Perkins with a miss in it. And blowing a fair bit of blue smoke. Still got pretty good oil pressure, make it alright rebuilder, but be good for somebody. Cool, have a good day guys.